Did you know that on January 12, 1881, King Umberto I stopped with his train at the Sutera station? In a document from the then Secretary of Sutera, Stefano Mulegiano, dated January 14, 1881, the royal family's passage is described: King Umberto I, Queen Margherita, and Prince Vittorio Emanuele through the Sutera station, about 5 kilometers from town.
In this document, it is clear that the procession to honor the royals started from Piazza Sant'Agata, which is still called Cianu Sant'Aita by the elders today, named after the 18th century church of Sant'Agata, located in this square. The departure was around 8 in the morning in order to be ready to welcome the king around noon. From the city band to the municipal council, from the mace bearer to the school children, everyone was lined up waiting for the royal carriage.
A little interesting curiosity about the royal family's train slowly traveling through the Sutera station. Only Mr. Angelo Montalto, who was the mayor at the time, Benedetto Caruba, and Stefano Mulegiano, the town clerk, boarded His Majesty's train carriage.
Hanno passato con il re e con la regina e ho avuto questo onore, mio nonno, di conoscere il re.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like.
Share.
And click the follow button so you don't miss the next videos.